right now. We got about 25 knots true, about 15 apparent, and we're doing about 7.5, 8 knots. Full Ginny, double reef main, and hauling ass. Dead downwind, pulled out jib on the starboard, and the prevented main on the port. Yeah, it's just making these little 4-foot waves look like nothing. We're just going with them. That is Peter talking on the phone, or on the radio.
Can you get Peter to give us a oh yeah?
Hey Peter, can you give me a hey ya? Thank you, that's for the YouTube. What's happening?
Oh, you know, we're out here. It's a nice sporty downwind sail. Beautiful day. I've been sleeping. There's my nest right there.
Kyle said be more jittery, be more energetic.
Kyle can go f himself. This is real life, baby. We have about 3 to 4 foot, now it looks like it's 2 to 3 foot waves following us, which is nice. I'm glad that it's following the seas. And yeah, it's been a beautiful day. I'm hungry, so I made myself some minestrone soup, one of our last cans of soup. It's really hard to find cans of soup in Mexico, apparently. Everywhere. Yeah, that's all I got. Sorry guys, not that exciting.
Is it rocky? What did we break today?
I'm still not sure what broke today. All I know is I just woke up from a lovely nap in my little nest, and Peter was on the radio saying, can it get any better than this? And in that exact moment, something opened from the galley and slid across the cabin and shattered into a million pieces. And Chris sprung into action before I had time to realize what was happening.
It was a Pyrex pan, which if anybody's ever broken Pyrex before, you know that it goes not just like a little break, it just shatters and explodes. So it exploded all over the ground, like a large 12-inch pan. So there was a lot of glass, literally from the bow to the stern. And that was fun to clean up in the middle of a very rocky, at that point too, it was definitely the rockiest that we'd seen so far today.
We've never broken any glass before.
And that was the first time we've ever broken, actually shattered a piece of glass.
That was the first time glass broke for it, which is very sad. And now I have to buy some new Pyrex, because I like making those. Oh well, name of the game.
Pretty consistent and steady 7.5, 8 knots. Boat feels very dug in right now, it's awesome. Usually we don't really fly wing on wing very often, especially not pulled out, but today the wind has just been literally behind us the entire time, and it's pretty rocky, so having the pole is very nice because that jib hasn't moved. I haven't touched the jib in over 7 hours at this point. Yeah, sea state's it's a consistent 2 to 3 feet wave, and then every now and then there is at least 4.5 to 5 foot wave that comes out and rocks your shit. But well, you have to get a single wave in the cockpit, or even over the bulwark, or even on the deck for that matter. So Boat's very dry, very, very dry. Which actually isn't super common for us. We've been pooped before. But like right there, that's surfing down to 9.1, 9.3, 9.5 knots. Fast. Pretty freaking cool.
Take it, Avocet, take it. Get it, dig it, get it. Yep, nice. Handle it.
Uh-oh. I'm so tired.
Watching the sunset. And the waves that want to crash into the cockpit. Yeah, that's fun. Into Santa Rosalia, which is exciting because we've missed this on the way up. It's a pretty sporty day to go into a very tight entrance, so we're a little puckered up here, but hopefully it goes well. I got the main all the way reefed in, and engine just started, thank God, and we're literally about to round the corner and go in. Don't know what the slip situation is yet, like what side to tie on yet, so we're just going to get into the harbor and just chill out, look at what we're going to deal with, and then assess.
We went up a death trail and there was an evil spirit at the top. She grabbed my shirt, she picked up a rock and threw it at my chest.